Join us August 8th through 11th in Central PA for the 2024 Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival. Our event is held on a beautiful 200-acre property farm up in Huntington County. We have on-site camping, we have on-site off-road trails, and you basically have this beautiful 200-acre farm to explore. This year we have a lot of great vendors and events scheduled for everyone to attend. During the day, we have classes and demos from a bunch of great vendors and kind of experts in the field. At the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival, we kick off the evenings with our MAOF Challenge course. It's a driver and spotter combo, so you can really test out your rig, kind of find out those weaknesses, and it's really a challenge to see who is the best driver out there. Following that awesome event, we are also going to have special guest speakers, a film festival, a raffle kind of drawing there on the last night. Tickets are limited this year, so be sure to go reserve your slot today. You can click the link in our bio for the ticket link. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Yeah, we're super excited to see you this year. We really have some awesome events in store for y'all, and we can't wait to see you there.